Welcome one and all from Risey, an edutech platform for NEET and JEE. I am Sirisha, a senior biology faculty at Risey. In this video, we will be providing analysis of NEET All India mock test that was held on 21st March 2021 on Risey. The three core points in this analysis will be NEET 2021 pattern, a Risey NEET previous year paper analysis, mock test performance report. Let us look at NEET 2021 pattern. NEET 2021 is going to be on August 1st in offline mode, and the pattern for NEET 2021 is similar to that of NEET 2020. That's, we have 90 questions from biology, 45 questions from physics, 45 questions from chemistry for a duration of 180 minutes and 720 marks in total. Each correct answer carries 4 marks and 1 mark will be deducted for each wrong answer. Now, Rise NEET previous year paper analysis. In this, we have analyzed all the previous year NEET papers and the top 10 chapters in each subject, and their probability of questions being asked in each exam are identified. Let's see them. In the NEET physics, the top 10 chapters are displayed. In this, coming to the first one, current electricity. Here there is a probability questions of 2 to 3. In the same way, system of particles and rotational motion, we have 2 to 4 probability questions being asked. In the same way, for NEET chemistry, top 10 chapters are being displayed. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, probability of 2 to 4 questions. Chemical bonding and molecular structure, 2 to 4 questions. Coming to the ninth one, the P block elements, 4 to 5 probability questions could be asked. For NEET botany, even top 10 chapters are provided, out of which morphology of flowering plants, probability questions could be 3 to 7, and in biological classification 3 to 6. Even in the unit of life, 4 to 6 questions. Now coming to the NEET zoology, we have the top 10 chapters being displayed. In that, animal kingdom, 2 to 3 questions of probability, environmental issues 2 to 4, and human reproduction 3 to 4. So in this way, you can understand easily which chapter is important. Now coming to the mock test performance report, Risey, for better understanding of strengths and weaknesses of students, NEET biology has been separated into botany and zoology for better performance. After each mock test, a detailed performance report is generated where you can understand strong and weak areas. For a better understanding of biology performance analysis, 2 sections, botany and zoology, 45 questions each are provided in the biology NEET mock test. In this detailed analysis, you can see score, accuracy, number of correct and wrong answered questions in easy, moderate and difficult levels. Even time analysis will help you in understanding how many questions you solved in time, less time, over time, and their accuracies. Subject wise can be analyzed. You can also understand your accuracy levels of different question types using question type analysis. Question theory analysis gives your conceptual and application accuracies, and using chapter wise analysis, your strength and weakness in different chapters of 4 subjects can be understood. In this way, performance report after each mock test will help you to score better in final exam. We wish you success. Thank you.